Gia FKF orosagia rwi county ya Machakos yachakiro murobelio bene GOKINIA Chigosori chinkoyo eliogokonya abasae haubale nechi talanta akonyara libaga kokosoria ase chense chesko
munyakero gobwekyombeekyo Nur Abdi watebire buna ibose ekegangeyo nikobono irache guikirana kubwatikana no kubwatirana kwa basamaria baya haubale no moyo bugwancha ase Chigosori asatebire chibesa Jochara ntero mwachanda sete chitimu au county ya Machakos murikito Edna agutumanya senchera wikirana
Imeroberio yogoche gutingia Chigosori cy'umupira ime ya Machakos nigo yachakiwe magega yekyombekia FKF kuria eira guche kurwania sponsor bali neganga yobonche ekyombekega FKF orosagia rwa Machakos bono nigo bachakiri umuroberio bwo gutingia Chigosori echiga ase binyoro eryo kwalibaga basai bali nebiegwa guche kwamerania ase Chigosori chenseye amo nechinse chesiko.
Hii tunafanya differently. Kutakuwa na talent selection, kutakuwa na after the tournament, kutakuwa na training ya the best wale tumeselect, at least tuone pale tunaweza wasukuma na the man ile itapatikana itasaidia pia teams, na pia tutakuwa na programs za training ya kuempower our youth, na aim yetu ni kuwe na training ya coaching courses, ya refereeing courses, ya administration as a club. Pia club pia zinafaa kuwa na structure ya kurun club zao vizuri.
Munyakerogo OFKF orosagerwa Machakos Nur Abdi nigagoteba aya niganyarikanire kubwatikana na okubwaterana n'ababwatani ao boigokaro omukapitani ugiurigeti gochego sponsor chitimu 250 imeye county yo asoko yarigania gochia kurwanirire gekombe kya Irene Ndano ekyo gekageire gochakigwa bwangoiga.
Well, I mean, as a sponsor yangu tu ni facilitate the activities, but the rest of it, to be able to run a successful tournament, I will depend on their full cooperation and partnership, which wameshanipatia already. So I expect wao watanipatia referees, officiate matches, just to make sure that the whole tournament goes and turns out smoothly. I saw an opportunity to do something bigger and better, and why not? So ndio nikaamua kufanya hii football. And I mean, right now football is really big, and nimeona youth wa Machakos wanapenda football. There's talent in Machakos, so I feel like this is a good platform to showcase that.
Boigo nigarireira gochia kubakonya ensemo ye uniform boigo nichibesa n'ibintu biribaganeirie gokorera Chigosori.
So I will be kitting all the teams that are going to participate in this tournament. To provide uniform, to provide ball, to provide meals during the tournament, pamoja na refreshments, and then for the ladies team, kwa sababu ya my already existing foundation, tutapatia sanitary.
Kuripoteria TV Yensoko Erita Nedina Mura.